Okay, team, in this video, we just had another package, another sale come in for the Crazy Cash postcard program. I'm going to open it up live here for you. On this video, we're going to talk about what this program is, how it works, go through it real quick, and how you can benefit from it and the product. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and turn your speakers up. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure we like this video. I really would appreciate it. It will help me in the ranking of the video. Hit that like button, folks. I really would appreciate that. Great things are happening. As we're going forth, direct mail is just on a rip to the upside. It has never been this good, and it's only getting better. People are looking to work from the comfort of their home, and they want to do it. They want to do it now. And if you show them a business that makes sense, that has value, product, service, they will partner with you over and over again. They will chase you down and send you money in on a daily, consistent basis. So I'm very excited about this flyer. But before about this postcard, it is a 6x9 postcard, and we're going to go through it here, and I'm going to show you how you can get your own copy of this postcard. But before we get started, make sure you check out the YouTube channel. I got several opportunities, folks. If you're into direct mail, if you're into affiliate marketing, be your own boss, work from home, affiliate programs, check out some of these programs we got. I'm in about 7 different programs, and every one of them are rocking and rolling. I mean, the OCM, folks, if you can afford to get into this thing, get into it. The OCM program is incredible. You can earn up to $4,000 per sale. Hear me, folks. It's incredible. Profit Max formula, supplement grid, the $50 cash blaster. Again, the OCM program. And the United Cash Express, the 1000 K solution flyer. All of these programs are incredible. Again, my number one big ticket program is going to be OCM, folks, because you can earn, again, $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sign up. Is people, will people pay $4,000 to join? Absolutely yes. The sky is the limit. But the program we're going to talk about today, and oh, let me give you a sneak peek. Greg has just created another postcard for us with the CREC postcard. We got a new CREC postcard. That's going to be $4,900 to join. We're going to talk about this in another video, probably in the next day or so. This thing's going to be a barn burner. It's a residual built in on the back end. You know, you pay $1,249. $249 goes to the admin, and $100 go to your sponsor, and $500 to you, and then you start getting those overrides. Incredible times are up ahead. And I would suggest, if you're watching this video, that not only you join one program, get 2 or 3 of these programs going. Well, you'll get in where you fit in, and get 2 or 3 of these programs going simultaneously. And you get 500 postcards of each of them going out, and then you'll have money coming in from this, from that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, and this one, that one. Incredible. And that's a potential to earn a lot of income. Of course, income disclaimer. Folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. But the sky is literally the limit as to what you can do in these programs. It's just absolutely astounding. If you're not mailing a flyer or postcard, you are missing the opportunity to build some mega wealth. So great times are ahead, and we're going to show you what you can do with this program. With this program, folks, it costs $450 to get started. The people will mail a $450 cash payment into you, or they'll do a money order, and you'll forward their information along with $100 to the admin. The admin will take care of the product fulfillment. Well, let me welcome the new member. I covered the information. There's the tracking number. There's the tracking number right here. Let's get this thing opened up for you. Here is, let's see something. Close out there. There is the Crazy Cash. They joined from the flyer. We got flyers and postcards. Flyers and postcards. I covered up the information. And here's something else in here. Here is their payment from where they joined the program. So we're excited about that. Powerful. I'm going to cover up their personal information. And there it is. Another $450. Money order just came in. Another $450 just came in. So great things are happening. Can you mail a postcard? Can you mail a flyer? If you can do it over and over again, it is incredible. This is the flyer. And guys, I'm telling you, postcard marketing, it works fantastic year round. And this is the $50 cash blaster. I just ordered 1,000 of this postcard. I'm getting ready to order 1,000 of my crazy cash postcard from Print Runner. I can give you all that information once you get started. Print Runner will drop boxes of your postcards. Whatever one you order, all you got to do is upload a PDF. Very simple to do. And they will drop them on your front porch. I'm telling you what, guys, great things are happening. So let's get into how this program works. It is an incredible program. It does all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. You can mail the flyer or this postcard. And folks, I'm telling you what, it's converting about 2%, meaning in direct mail, if you got a program that's converting 1%, you're doing great. This thing is converting at around 2%. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible to me. The response is through the roof. So people will get this postcard, this flyer in the mail, or you can advertise on your Facebook page. You can pass out postcard, however you want to just get in front of people, and it'll resonate. They will see that they'll read it left to right, front to back. They'll see how they can make $100,000 in 1 year. It's unheard of. The company can even do the print mail service for you and for your members. It's just that simple. They can do it for you. And watch your mailbox get flooded with $450 payments. Cash, or people can send money orders also. And I think that is incredible. Very, very exciting times are up ahead. That's the front side of the postcard, as you can see, the front side. Now, the back side, imagine getting 15 450 money orders out of a 500-piece mailing in the flyers of the postcards that we mail for you. That's a whopping $6,700 in cash. Let's say if you only get on the low end, on the low side, let's say the mailing went totally wrong and it didn't go as well, and you got only 5 sales out of 500-piece mailing. That's $2,200. Folks, this is how your life can change. Turn your mailbox into an ATM machine by mailing postcards on a consistent basis. Well, Timothy, what is the product? What is the service? What value do we have here? You get 300 leads on pill and stick labels. 300 leads, hot marketing tips and tricks on how to grow your business exponentially. You can also allow them to mail out 500 crazy cash postcards or flyers for you. This is an optional purchase valued up to $1,500. You can get it for $450. That is a $1,500 value for $450. Folks, all flyers are customized with your name. Your name's going to go here in this dealer box. They're going to mail. You fill out this information, you mail it in, and they'll send it in. You can go to my website, folks, www.easymail1.com. You don't have to have your website on there. That's just totally optional. I just had mine personally designed there. That is totally optional. Does not have to do it. And guys, you can join through Cash App today. If you want to get started today, get a hold of me. You can join through Cash App or PayPal, and we can get you started today. Great things are happening, folks, and we want you to get involved. Crazy Cash Flyer is going to rip to the upside. I think it'll be a great program for years to come. Again, we're in several programs, folks. Check out these programs. They're on a rip to the upside. We're creating financial freedom. Folks, why can't you make $4,000 or $5,000 in a month in these programs? If you get good at it, you can make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a week in some of these programs combined. It is absolutely possible.